Hello dear learners. Today we are going to discuss few of the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry from the topic structure and their heterocycles. We are on part 8 now. In part 8 we are going to cover again few of the MCQs from the point of heterocycles present in the structure, or the heterocycle will be known to you and you are supposed to identify the drug. This type of question can be there, or the drug will be given to you, name it will be given to you, and you will be asked regarding their heterocycle present. So this way questions in till now we have seen 7 parts from the structures and their heterocycle. In part 8 we are going to discuss again few of the MCQs about the structures and their heterocycles. So first question is, dash amongst the given contains naphthalene ring, whether it is propranolol, pindolol, atenolol or labatol. The correct answer is it is propranolol. Propranolol amongst the given contains naphthalene ring. If you look into the structure, this is the naphthalene ring, wherein this is the structure of propranolol. This propranolol, which is nothing but it is a beta blocker which contains naphthalene ring, which you can see here in the structure, and this is oxy, so it is naphthoxy. Next question is, dash is a catecholamine amongst the given, whether it is adrenaline, whether it is noradrenaline, whether it is isoprenaline or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Catecholamines are adrenaline, noradrenaline, isoprenaline, dopamine. These are the catecholamines. So how we will look into the explanation. Catecholamines are nothing but they are benzene diol. Now what do you mean by benzene diol? This is benzene ring and this is hydroxy, one hydroxy, and this is another hydroxy. So benzene diol is what? Diol is two ols and benzene. So it is benzene diol. It is nothing but catechol. That means it comprises of a benzene ring and two hydroxy substituents which are ortho to each other. Okay. Now this dopamine, noradrenaline, adrenaline, isoprenaline structures, if you will look into them properly, you will find that this is benzene diol, benzene diol, benzene diol and benzene diol. All of these contains hydroxy, two hydroxys and benzene. So it is catechol. And if you will look into the evolution of the structure, dopamine is the simplest form which you can see here. It is CH2CH2NH2. Okay, here it is CH2CH2NH2, but here it is not CH2. It is one hydrogen is replaced with hydroxy. Again, the noradrenaline is same way continued into the adrenaline. The same here also hydroxy is there, and one hydrogen from the amine is replaced with CH3. Okay, and then same, since the name is isoprenaline here, so it is isopropyl. Okay, which you can see here, NH, CH, CH3, CH3. Okay, so iso group is there. So these are the catecholamines. Next question is, dash amongst the given is a non-catecholamine, whether it is ephedrine, whether it is phenylephrine, whether amphetamine or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. All the given are catecholamines. So how it is? So catecholamines and non-catecholamines. Catecholamines are the one which contains benzene diol, right? So non-catecholamines are what? It means they do not contain any catechol. So if you look into the structures, this is phenylephrine, ephedrine, amphetamine, okay. All these, they do not contain any benzene diol, which you can see here, okay. No benzene diol, no benzene diol. So these are called as non-catecholamine, which belongs, which works on the sympathetic nervous system, okay, sympathetic division, which are adrenergic drugs. Next, question is, see this, these are the structures, again the same structures. Next question is, dash hypoglycemic amongst the given is a glyburide, whether it is chloropropamide, tolbutamide, glipizide or glibenclamide. The correct answer is, it is glibenclamide. Glibenclamide is nothing but it is known by the other name, which is glyburide. If you look into the structure of glibenclamide or glyburide, first of all, it belongs to sulfonylurease class, which you can see here. Say this is urea, okay, NH2CONH2, this is sulfonyl, okay, to sulfonylurease class it belongs. And that too, this glyburide, which is also known as glibenclamide, is, this part is different. If you will compare it with the IUPAC, and the yellow highlighted part is different, okay. This is cyclohexane, okay, this is benzene, this is CH2CH2. So this entire part is here, like which you can see here, it is cyclohexyl carbamoyl, okay, then sulfamoyl, cyclohexyl carbamoyl, sulfamoyl, okay, this part, and then phenyl, and then ethyl, CH2CH2, okay. So this is entire, the bracket part is different, and this 5-chloro, okay, and this is methoxy, and this is benzene and amide, so it is benzamide. So outside the bracket if you will see, this is 5-chloro 2-methoxybenzamide, that means at second position there is methoxy, and this is benzenamide, okay. So this is known as glyburide, which that is nothing but glibenclamide. Next question is, dash hypoglycemic contains sulfonylurease, whether it is chloropropamide, tolbutamide, glipizide or all of them. The correct answer is, that is all of them. These belongs to sulfonylurease class. That means if you look into their structures, they contains sulfonylurease, okay. So this is nothing but this, see, tolbutamide, chloropropamide, glipizide, glyburide, which is also known as glibenclamide, and glimepiride. These all are sulfonylurease drugs. If you look into the structure, this is sulfonylurea, okay, this is SO2, NHCONH. So these contain sulfonylurease. So if you look into the name, see, this is nothing but tolbutamide, okay. Then chloropropamide also contains sulfonylurease, okay. Then glyburide also contains sulfonylurease, okay. Then glimepiride, glipizide also contains sulfonylurease in them. So all these are sulfonylurease. Why they are called as sulfonylurease? Because they contain sulfonyl and urea. Okay, so sulfonylurease. Next question is, dash hypoglycemic contains biguanide, whether it is fenformine, chloropropamide, tolbutamide or none of them. The correct answer is, it is fenformine. Fenformine, metformin belong to the class biguanide, where the hypoglycemic drugs are concerned. So what is biguanide now? See, यूरिया जो होता है दैट इज NH2CONH2, ओके. सो उसका जो अदर फॉर्म्स है, लाइक इट इज थायोयूरिया अगर होता है तो यहाँ पे सल्फर होता है. नाउ दिस इज गुआनाइड, तो यहाँ पे NH है, ओके. सो दिस व्हेन two units are combined of that of guanidine, okay, see here, this one is for first part and this is second part, okay. So this is clubbed and this NH2 is combined, so this contains biguanide, and this is nothing but phenyl, so it is fenformine, and other is metformine. All those are from biguanide. Why they are from biguanide? Because they contains biguanide, okay. Next question is, dash contains benzothiazide in it, whether it is hydrochlorothiazide, chlorothiazide, both of them or none of them. The correct answer is, it is both of them. Hydrochlorothiazide as well as chlorothiazide both contains benzothiadiazine in it, and they are also called as benzothiadiazide derivative, which I have mentioned here, okay. बेंजोथायाडायाजीन, तो क्या होता है बेंजोथायाडायाजीन? We will look into the structures. So if you will see the structure, okay, this is hydroxy, this is hydrochlorothiazide and this is chlorothiazide. Okay, so if you will look into the structures, this chlorothiazide and hydroxychlorothiazide contains benzothiadiazine. Okay, so this is benzene, this is thiadiaza. Okay, so this is benzothiadiazine. So both of these contains benzothiadiazine in them. Next, see, this is chlorothiazide and hydrochlorothiazide IUPAC and their comparison. Okay, hydroxy है तो यहाँ पे NH है, there is no double bond, and here it is double bond. Okay, next question is dash contains anthranylic acid, whether it is furosemide, furosemide, both of them or none of them. The correct answer is it is both of them. Furosemide or furosemide, both are the same names. They are the synonyms of one drug, okay, which contains anthranylic acid. So what is anthranylic acid then? Anthranylic acid, if you will look into the structure, okay, so this is anthranylic acid, okay, benzene ring, COOH and NH2, definitely acid hai. Okay, so this is benzene ring, COOH and this is NH2. So if you will look into the structure, the highlighted part, okay, this is purple color highlighted part. See, this is benzene ring, COOH and NH2 ka one hydrogen is replaced with furfuryl. Okay, so here this furosemide, or which is also known as furosemide, contains anthranylic acid in it, or it is a anthranylic acid derivative. Okay, next question is dash amongst the given contains furan heterocycle, whether it is furosemide, whether furosemide, whether both of them or none of them. The correct answer is it is both of them. Furosemide as well as furosemide, which is nothing but the same, both contains furan heterocycle in them. So how it is, we will look into the structure. If you look into the structure of furosemide, this is anthranylic acid, this is furfuryl, okay, this is sulfur oil and this is chlorine. Okay, so here it is furan ring. This is furan ring. Furan is nothing but a 5-membered unsaturated ring which contains oxygen in it. So it is a 5-membered ring which is a heterocyclic ring containing the oxygen heteroatom which is present in furosemide or furosemide. Okay, so with this we finish with few of the MCQs from structures and their heterocycle. Stay tuned with us for further MCQs from the same topic, and there is a wide variety of the MCQs as well as the theory lectures on our channel which you can find, okay, YouTube channel, as well as our Facebook page, okay, website is there, Insta page, okay, so you can refer to them and you can gather knowledge. Okay, with this we finish with part 8. Thank you.